Welcome to HR Onboard Mastery, where we break down the best strategies to transform remote onboarding from overwhelming to effortless. If you've ever felt lost as a new remote hire, or struggled to engage with a new hire, this is the ultimate how to hack guide video to assist you. Hack number 1. Start with pre-boarding. Get ahead before day 1. A great remote onboarding experience starts before day 1. Studies show that 83% of high-performing organizations begin onboarding before the official start date. A new marketing manager was excited about her new job until she heard crickets from HR. Then, she received a welcome email with a checklist, company culture video, and a scheduled coffee chat with her manager. Instead of feeling anxious, she felt very special and important. Rethink solution. Send a welcome email with key contacts, a quick start guide, and login details. Use platforms like Notion or Trello to centralize resources. Desired outcome. New hires feel connected, reducing first-day confusion and boosting retention. Hack number 2. Structured schedules to eliminate information overload. Without structure, remote hires can feel lost. Organization A ensures every new hire meets key team members within the first week to establish a solid foundation. A structured schedule prevents information overload and ensures employees know what to expect. Rethink solution. Schedule daily intro meetings for the first week. Use a 30-60-90-day plan to set clear expectations and milestones. Desired outcome. Faster integration, reduced first-month turnover, and clear direction for new hires. Hack number 3. The buddy system. Instant support at Organization B. New hires are paired with an onboarding buddy, cutting down their ramp-up time by 30%. Jake is a remote designer, has endless questions, but hesitated to ask his manager. Having a buddy helped him get quick answers without feeling like he was bothering someone important. Rethink solution. Assign every new hire a mentor or onboarding buddy. Schedule weekly check-ins for the first month. Desired outcome: faster adaptation, increased confidence, and stronger team bonds. Hack number 4. Virtual engagement. More than just Zoom call, only 12% of employees say their company does a great job onboarding remotely. Engagement is the missing piece. At Organization C, leadership sends personal video messages to welcome new hires. Meanwhile, Organization D gamified its onboarding with a company trivia challenge, helping new employees learn while having fun. Rethink solution. Use innovative tools for personalized welcome videos. Introduce interactive onboarding portals with quizzes and challenges. Create an Ask Me Anything channel for new hires. Desired outcome: increased engagement, better knowledge retention, and a sense of belonging. Quiz challenge: what's the biggest benefit of pre-boarding? A. It gives employees time to buy office decor. B. It reduces first-day anxiety and sets expectations. C. It helps test company software security. Answer: B. A structured pre-boarding process gives clarity, boosting confidence and engagement before day one. Hack number 5. Mastering time zones and communication gaps. Remote teams often span multiple time zones, leading to scheduling headaches. Rethink solution. Use communication now and then to record meetings. Use impromptu meetings, and share voice notes. Rotate meeting times to accommodate different regions. Desired outcome: clearer communication, fewer delays, and better collaboration across time zones. Hack number 6. Creating virtual watercooler moment. Company culture shouldn't disappear just because teams are remote. Organization F runs a monthly show and tell where employees share hobbies, creative projects, or even coffee recipes. Rethink solution. Organize casual virtual events, meme channels, coffee chats, or book clubs. Two, use apps that randomly pair employees for informal chats. Desired outcome: stronger connections, better morale, and a sense of team spirit. Quiz challenge: what's the best way to prevent miscommunication in remote teams? A. Encourage voice notes and short video updates. B. Schedule 8-hour Zoom meetings to go over everything. Answer: A. Voice notes and videos add clarity, reducing misunderstandings. Conclusion is that remote onboarding doesn't have to be a struggle, folks. With the right hacks, it becomes a seamless process that boosts retention, engagement, and productivity. For the full breakdown, get the free ebook, How to Hack Remote Onboarding, link in the description. If this video helped, hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more expert insights. See you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the link in the description below.